more in kerosene oil than the water. Is it? So therefore kerosene oil is more optically denser than the water. Is it? Now, speed of light in vacuum or in air is generally 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Whereas speed of light in glass, it is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air or vacuum. In glass it is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in glass. Next, speed of light in water. It is generally 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now, what idea you are getting here? Because air is optically rarer than the glass as well as water. Yes, but glass is denser than what? Water. Also, glass is denser than air. Water is denser than air. Is it? Wherever speed is less of light, its optical density will be less. Now, I am coming to the point, what is refraction of light? Refraction of light says, when light is traveling from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it deviates from its path or it will change its direction. Is it? So refraction of light is what? When light is traveling from one optical medium to another optical medium or one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Is it? So then it will deviate from its path or its direction will change. So this direction will change due to change in speed. The cause of refraction is only what? Due to the change in speed. Due to the change in speed. So therefore, say there are two media, that is, say rarer medium, and this is, say, denser medium. Rarer medium we are taking air, this one we are taking as glass. This is the surface which is dividing two media. A light ray is incident on it. Whenever light is traveling from rarer to denser or denser to rarer, there must be little reflection of light will take place from the top surface. Yes, so therefore around 4 to 5% of light will be reflected. That is partial reflection. This is point of incident, say A, O, this one is B. And we'll drop the normal M, N. This is the actual path of the incident ray. Is it? Now light will bend towards normal. Light will bend towards normal. Say this is C. It means the speed of light is here slow down than the first medium. Light is slowing down in the second medium than the first medium. So the speed of light in first medium is more, the speed of light in second transparent medium is less. Now angle between incident ray and the normal is angle of incident. Angle between refracted ray and normal is R. So this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this one is the refracted ray. The light is deviated through this much. Say it is denoted by delta. The light is deviated by delta. So delta is equal to what? Angle I minus angle R. When light is traveling from rarer to denser. Second case, when light is traveling from denser to rarer medium. Denser say it is glass, rarer say it is air. This is incident ray. This is the actual path or direction of the incident ray. I am drawing first this one. This is the point of incident, O, normal at the point of incident, Mn, and there is some partial what? Reflection. And light is traveling from denser to rarer. As I told, what